Mayan. Video.
Video daw magsalita. At White Kalawa Beach Club.
Salita ka, Nini.
Look what you miss. Ay, nagsasalita.
Magsalita ka.
Nagsasalita na kumain na. We're waiting for the kwan. Ano ba yung pupuntahan natin?
Water aerobics.
So lovely. Water aerobics. What a life. Look what you miss.
Here's the
Magsisamahan.
here's the pool. Swimming pool. 360.
Almost manok na kinamuan. Nakakain na kami ng breakfast. Nagkarao siya sa tapa. Batlo. All dress up to ready for swimming. For the aerobics, water aerobics lesson. A complimentary lesson.
Ay yayabang, no?
Enjoy the food for an hour after the aerobics. Gonna go shopping. Shopping at the mall. And spend more money. Worry later. Look how this sky is so beautiful. Very clear, sunny and windy. Very windy. Kamot ko kaya nagkabit. Wala naman.